A very cheerful good morning and Jai Hind, sir.
Good morning, beta, and very good morning, Jai Hind, beta. And how are you?
Sir, fine.
Fine, very good, beta. So,
Good morning, sir.
good morning, beta, good morning. And how are you, everyone?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta, good
A
morning.
very cheerful good morning and Jai Hind, sir.
Oh, very good morning, beta. How are you?
Sir, very good.
Okay, very good.
Good
very
morning,
beta.
sir. Good morning.
Good morning, beta, good morning. And
Good morning, sir.
good morning, good morning, Javed,
Good
beta.
morning and Jai Hind, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Now, everyone has got the marks
Yes, sir.
in your computer exam.
Yes, sir.
How the marks, everyone? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good marks, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your voice is not coming.
Okay. Okay, Shweta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. I'm audible, beta.
Now, sir, you are audible.
Audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, thank you, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
sir.
beta. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Jai Hind, beta.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, Python, everyone started?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Samidhi, what happened? How are you, Samidhi?
सर कान का सर्जरी हुआ है
Okay, beta. Okay.
सर पहले से
Now,
था ही नहीं इसलिए बना
okay.
है
Now this time you are okay, beta Samidhi?
वो सर
अच्छा, okay.
नहीं
Okay, Shwins. Now everyone have a book?
Yes, sir, we have it.
Okay. Now everyone started your Python
Yes, sir.
in your system.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shwins.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I don't have system here.
Okay. Okay. Basically, Shwins. Now everyone have a book. Who are doing this now? Every time we are just stopping this one.
This chapter
This is Python, beta. Python.
Sir, please tell the chapter number.
Chapter number, beta. Wait.
Sir, introducing Python.
someone is scratching on screen
Yes. Chapter number 8, beta.
wait sir
Okay, chapter number 8, beta. Open, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashwin, everyone knows.
Sir, someone is doing.
First of all, everyone,
Sir, it is Abhinav.
beta, it is request to everyone, mute everyone yourself. Mute everyone, beta.
Okay, sir.
If voice are not coming from your side, you can unmute. यदि आप बेटा आपके तरफ से कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही तो आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हो. Okay, beta. Okay, Shwez. You know our system is have a three functions, mainly three functions. First of all, we are giving the input. Okay. Suppose we are writing something in your system. This is like a data. If you are moving the mouse, that is also as a role of the input. Okay. But after input, the role of the computer, role of the system. What role of the system? Process. Okay. Sorry, beta. After process, what we are seeing as a result, that is known as the output. This is the priori of this language. You know, Python is a high level language or low level language? Which type of language, beta?
Sir, high level language.
Yes, high level
Sir,
language.
high level language.
Yes, there are many languages are given here. In your first
Language.
page number 98. There, okay, page number 98. They are given many languages are the high level language like a C, C++, Pascal, Java, many more program. Oracle.
Sir, when we go to higher classes, we will know all these. Sir, we'll do all this programming.
Yes. When Java also very good language. Python is very good language. These all are languages very best language. Okay. When you will move this language, then you are getting the very good platform. But now it will keep the time. Okay. Ishwins, you know that who has invented this? Means who has given this language?
Yes, sir. Sir, it was Sir Guido van Rossum.
Yes, Guido van
Man named
Rossum.
Guido.
This Guido van Rossum has given this working at the Centrum in Centrum Wheatstone and Information. Anyone waiting? Is okay. Wait. Many students are coming late. That's why. Now everyone come.
Good morning and Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, Hans.
सर बुक में लिखा है रेसिपी फॉर पोटैटो पास्ता.
Okay, this is the Ashwin's in class. Wait. In your class 5, when you start. Wait. Good morning, and Jai Hind, beta. When you start in your class 5, have you seen? When you're starting any program, you just first of all pre-plan of this. सबसे पहले pre-plan करते हो. Suppose you want to make a tea. You want make a tea. So what you have to do? You will keep each and everything elements of the tea. Okay, like a tea leaves, sugar, water, milk. These are things. Okay. Also, you will keep a pan where you will pour milk and water, sugar, then tea leaves. Okay. These all are the input things. These all are input things. When after that, when you will boil on the you can say gas stove, and you are getting the water process as a tea. That is known as the output form. So we have taken this example here, the pasta. Okay. See how हमने क्या लिया example pasta. So pasta all gradients as a input. When gradients we can as a process, that is a processing, and what we are getting as a output pasta. Good morning, beta. Beta, at last before the ending of the 5.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Before the 5 minutes of this session, we will take a small test. Okay? Ishwins, are you hearing everyone?
Sir, we can't join 5 minutes early, sir, because it is saying that invalid.
Okay. Before 15 minutes, okay? Just now read this book, because these pages I have taken your test. Okay? So read the test, this page very carefully.
Sir, which pages you can
Please
take?
tell me which pages.
2 or 3 pages.
Please tell which
Sir, next session.
Beta, what
Tell
happened?
the page number.
This page number from your wait, I'm telling. Page number 98 to 102. 98 to 102 to 98
Okay, sir.
102 we have given as a small test. Okay, so after when window will open, then you will give the output. I will send also these things in your app. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
first of all, I'm just also
sir.
I'm telling this one what type of question maybe I have given. Huh? Listen, this given.
Sir,
It is
you have given the worksheet also.
worksheet, no, but you have completed all of you.
Yes.
Not completed,
Sir,
no?
Sir, I
sir,
have
it
Worksheet.
can't.
Only one
Which
student.
worksheet?
sended you
Beta,
also.
only one student has given the Tanya. Huh? One student has given the answer, but also today you will give the answer, beta. Don't worry, okay? And today also I will send the second worksheet. Huh? Maybe at evening I will send the second worksheet.
Okay, sir.
Clear, beta? ठीक है?
Sir,
So
they will send tomorrow, no?
Tomorrow is that on Saturday, that is your period, huh? That is your period.
Okay, sir.
So basis on that one, I have given this
Yes,
second worksheet. Okay, so you have I am sending. You have to give the answer on Saturday. आप Saturday को answer दोगे बेटा, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Only
Okay, sir.
today what I am taking today test you will send. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, which type of question you will ask in test?
This is also one word answer. This is not an MCQ. This is fill in the blanks. This is based on the fill in the blanks, beta.
Filling the blank.
Sir, you asking in Saturday class.
Sir,
Worksheet 2, I will
Sir,
send
you are asking in the only filling the blanks.
only fill in the blanks. Today I will send
Sir,
beta.
I was late today due to an internet problem. So, sir, I haven't attended the worksheet number 1. Can you tell me what the questions did?
Okay, beta, just I will send here. I will show you also in this Zoom class. And if you are getting the in your app, I have already sent it, beta. In your app, already have sent it.
Sir, which chapter?
Same chapter,
Yes,
Python.
sir. The app
Wait,
is already.
same chapter, beta. Python. Python is going on, na? So Python we have.
uploaded in e-content.
Okay, I am showing, beta. Don't worry. Wait. I am showing. I am showing, beta. Don't worry. See everyone. I am showing here. We're laughing here now. Everyone can see what is going on here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am showing the question, beta. What question I have given you? Okay, see everyone.
Okay, sir.
Python was don't give the answer, beta. Don't give the answer. Don't give the answer. Only notate the question. only write the answer. Only write the answer, everyone. Only write the answer.
Yes, sir.
Only write the answer, beta. Don't give the
Sir,
answer.
I have already written.
But some few thing I have changes. Tanya, some few thing I have changes here. First question I have given. Python was created by dash. You have to write only answer. Python is a dash level programming language. A basis on this type questions can come in your annual exam.
Okay, sir. Sir, but my hands are paralyzed. Sir, I'm not able to write properly.
Okay,
So
just
still I will.
try beta. Try only try beta. Everyone unmute yourself. Sorry, mute yourself everyone. आप लोग सभी लोग म्यूट कर लीजिए बेटा.
Sir, from my side, no voice is coming.
हाँ, ये one voice is coming.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is from Tamiksha Singh.
Okay, Tanis. Okay, I'm seeing that. Request to who's from that side the voice is coming. Beta, mute yourself, beta.
ग्रीन कलर का हाँ तो तुम कहती मेरा फेवरेट है हाँ
See Samiksha Singh again voice.
Samiksha Singh, beta, mute yourself, beta. Samiksha.
वो पहन लो ठीक है ना ऑरेंज वाला
Samiksha, mute yourself, beta. Who's the one voice is coming here? One side.
Yes, sir.
Samriddhi, beta, you also mute yourself, beta.
See Samiksha again and mute her.
Samiksha, mute yourself, beta. इधर से आवाज तो आ रही है.
So from Saksham Mishra, its voice is
No, sir. The next question, sir.
Okay, I'm showing, beta. First, everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस सर
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please show fifth.
Okay, beta. Beta, request everyone mute yourself, beta. Mute everyone.
Sir, please see the next question.
Okay, question number 7. Do you have done, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please show question 9.
So 8 also you have done. Okay, wait. Few students are doing now.
Sir, question number 9.
So wait. Oh, wait.
Sir, sir, question number 10.
10, okay. Who is like? Beta, mute everyone.
So from my side, is any voice coming?
Okay, maybe mute, then we will see.
Can you see the question, sir?
Okay, Dhair and Natik, you are noted questions?
Sir, I have noted.
Okay, Dhair and Natik, these both are the very good students. These are hostlers. Okay, this is also in class 6. So Dhair and Natik, you have noted? Why? Just take pen and copy your notebook.
सर हम लिख लेंगे.
What?
सर लिख रहे हैं.
Yes, just now I will see your question answers.
Yes सर लिख रहे हैं.
What happened, Javed?
Sir, doubt in different question.
Which question, beta?
56.
6. Python cannot be used as a variable name. 6.
Sir, no, I know.
But after that, I will tell the answer, beta. Don't worry. I will send the answer. Don't worry. When the window will open, then you will send it. Then I will give. After that, I will give the right answer. You first of all send it. What answer you have on your window? Correct answer I will send. Yes, beta. What happened?
Sir, all questions written. Now going to write the answer. Sir, all questions written. Now to go.
Only answer, beta. Only answer. Only answer you have to write. Only answer you have to send it.
Next question. कर दूंगा मेरा रैंक है.
Who is doing this?
Sir, someone is laughing.
Mute yourself.
Sir, voice is coming from Harshit.
Harshit.
Sir, voice is coming from Harshit.
Harshit, mute now. Okay. Class 6 is a very good class. What happened? Class 6? Done, beta, everyone? Just waiting, coming late also, Anya Singh.
Sir, done.
Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have done, then I
Yes,
want
sir.
to. Okay, if you have done, I want to show you practical. Done,
Am I
everyone?
done?
Everyone done?
Yes,
Please
sir.
wait, sir. I'm in the 10th question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving only 1
Yes,
minute.
sir.
Only giving the 1 minute to complete this answer, this question.
Okay, sir.
So please send these questions also in the app.
Yes, wait, I will send. Don't worry. Question with answer I will send.
Please send the answer.
Sure, beta, I will send.
Please
I will send a question with answer.
these all questions in the app also.
Okay, beta. I will today.
Please wait a minute. Sir, please wait a minute. I'm coming.
Okay. तो कहीं पे आवाज आ रही है कि दर्शन पूजा भी हो रहा है? हाँ, any site? Shreyanshi in class 6 now coming this. Done, everyone?
Sir, last question.
Yes.
Very fast, do beta, very fast. Because I am showing also practical. This how to do. That very important for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Done?
No, sir.
Python is an application mainly for coding.
Yes,
Sir,
beta.
only 1 minute.
Python is this is very good language, and if you know that how to write the code of this program, you can make a software beta. It's a very good program. Okay, programming language. Okay, Arush? So you have done
Sir,
at your home beta.
Can we try, sir, on our own?
Sir, not.
Sir, how to
Sir,
download
can we do it sir, at our own?
Very simple beta. Very simple. Download it very simple. Go on to your internet and write
Sir, it can be downloaded in phone
Sir, how to
also.
download?
Please.
phone.
Sir, done.
Done?
Sir, it's written.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir, written.
Okay. Now I'm
Sir, how to download this Python?
Sir, we,
In the book.
sir, which version of Python we are required to download?
beta, whatever you given in your book, that also latest also has come.
It's given
Latest also.
3.5.
Beta, wait, listen my word.
Sir, we can't download Python 3.7.4. It is not showing, sir.
Okay, so whatever.
Sir, so I am
Beta,
downloaded.
Saksham, whatever you are
Sir,
getting.
can we download the latest version?
Yes, why not? I have also downloaded latest version.
3.8 version.
Okay, I
Sir,
have.
how to just download this?
Okay, I'm showing. Wait, I'm showing here.
Is given in the
From the website given in the book, sir, we can download.
Just see everyone, I'm showing you.
Sir, is some background voice coming from my side?
Maybe beta, I'm not clear. Beta,
Because some music is.
okay, everyone saying that what I'm doing now.
Just show sir how to download.
Yes, sir.
I'm showing beta. Wait. See everyone, what I'm doing here. I have opened the Google Chrome. It is opening. Can see? It is open now. Can see everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now here you have to write download.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay, download Python.
Yes, sir.
Download Python for Windows. Okay, you have to write this. The many things are here. This is version 3.8.6, 3.7.9. But in your book, what is given? Can you tell me?
Sir, 3.7.4.
3.7.4.
Okay, so this is
3.7.4.
3.7.9.
okay. This is the old version. Okay.
No, sir, it is 3.7.4. Sir, not 3.7.9.
Okay. So maybe this one is this one.
Yes, sir.
Latest version has come. But the latest version has come. You can suppose.
The latest is Python 3.9.1.
Yes. I have downloaded this is the CV1. This is showing here. Download the 3.9 latest version. Okay. You just click on download Python. Click here.
Download it from Microsoft Store.
3.9.1. This is the very latest version. You can download it this Python and work at the same. There's no problem beta. Understood now? Yes.
So I will be getting a laptop of.
Only laptop beta. Only laptop. Only laptop beta. Not
Sir,
cost.
I would be
Sir, we have to click on download
laptop
Python 3.9.1.
Just click on here. Then
of
this.
2012.
It will take the time. It will.
Which version of Windows do I have?
Beta, Arus, हाँ beta, what happened? Arus, your voice is not coming clear, beta. Okay. So you know, understood, beta, how to do this?
Sir, I am.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm
Sir,
telling you.
after clicking download,
Which
is-
version?
Beta, this
Sir,
one is.
I will go to laptop of Windows 2012. So, which version of Windows do I?
Same. No problem there. Same one. 3.9.1. You can download it this. The latest version and very good things. Good work. No problem, beta. Okay.
Sir, no. I was telling that I will get a laptop of 2012 version.
Okay.
So,
That.
sir,
So then download that one. No problem. Arus, download that one. No problem.
sir, after downloading,
which Windows?
After downloading,
Windows edition.
whose voice coming? Beta, mute yourself.
Sir, which Windows edition do I have on that
Windows
laptop?
7, Windows 8, Windows 10, any version you can download this one. No problem, beta.
Sir,
Python,
how to update? Okay, sir.
Windows 7 I have downloaded. 3.3.
Windows 7, no
Sir,
problem, beta.
sir, it can't. Sir, Windows 7 can't download.
For latest, maybe create a problem, but it's old version. You can download this. No problem there. Huh? Okay, Ishwin.
Sir, I have 3.8.
Now everyone can see here.
sir, after downloading,
After downloading, see everyone, idle cell 3.9.1. Then I have downloaded this. Then you will see that this picture. This area is known as an interactive mode. This area is known as interactive mode. Suppose
interactive mode.
suppose you want to write the hello Python. Hello Python. This is what's showing that? Syntax error.
Error.
Huh?
Error.
Okay.
Text error.
Yes. Suppose when you will write the double quotes, hello world, yeah, Python.
And then it will show.
Then it will show.
Here, showing now. So
Yes.
you know when you will write only hello Python.
sir.
So what syntax error will come? But if you will quotation, this double quotes you
But
will
because
write.
quotation is a command in Python.
Yes.
We have to,
Hello
we
world.
have to-
Like this you will write. Then you will get the answer. If single quotes, if you will, what happen? Single quotes. Hello world. It will come or not? Tell me.
So let's.
Yes,
Sir, I think it
It
will
will
come.
come.
Come. Okay. So if you are writing a double quotes or single quotes, your answer will come. But without double quotes or single quotes, if you will write, so answer you will not say. That is the syntax will come.
But
Clear,
in
students?
numbers, if we write
But
it
in
without
there, because
quotes,
in
it
hello
will work.
Python said without any code, we did not add any command.
Yes, this is not like
Sir,
a command.
it will not
not
get
can
any
understand. 10 plus 20 and answer will show or not, students?
Show
That
answer.
will show.
It
What
will
else,
show.
sir?
Answer.
30. Suppose you are writing 20 multiply 30. What answer will show or not, beta?
Star.
Yes, sir, it will show.
600.
Yes, sir, it will show.
It will.
Okay.
Sir, it can do the largest of calculations.
Suppose
At
20.
that time, I was asking that I will have a 2012 laptop which is new from 2012. So, sir, which version of Windows will I have?
Beta, your voice is not coming, beta. There's just maybe network
Sir,
problem.
he is asking that. Sir, he is getting the laptop version of 2012. Sir, what Windows version it will be?
Windows 7, Windows 10.
So we
Arus?
can update it or not?
You can if your system is saying the update, you can update beta. But there's necessity to update beta. First of all,
Plus, it will
Well,
update.
Python can be
created, downloaded on MacBook
Capable.
also.
Capable beta. Windows 7 can capable. Windows 7 you can download it very easy. In Windows 98, 96, Windows XP also downloaded the Python because we have worked there. हमने उस पे work किया है बेटा. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir,
So
it will be downloaded on Mac also.
Mac. In your version, Mac is the other
It
option.
will be downloaded.
Beta, Mac is the other of that one operating system. You can download it, no problem, beta. Okay.
Sir, because Mac is just a thinner laptop. Sir, it is no more than that.
Yes. Okay. So,
Sir, I have Lenovo.
So now.
Sir, I have no laptop.
Okay, very good, beta, very good.
Sir, this is the code.
Yes, Javed is showing me. Yes, very good. Hello world. Yes.
Sir, I have no laptop.
Okay. Then who? Javed.
Sir, Aditya.
Yes.
Sir, me too. I don't have laptop.
Okay. Then how
Desktop on.
Then how you are practicing, beta?
Sir, I have a desktop, but not here.
So okay, no problem there.
Sir, I got
I
it
have-
for a birthday
Joining this
gift.
Zoom class
Sir,
on
my
desktop.
desktop.
meaning of CWI?
There's CWI. You can see beta. This is the institute where he has worked your first programming language. Who has given this language? Can see beta.
Sir, Centrum Visconde and
Yes, that one. Good. This is institute.
Sir, Centrum, Vixen, and Informatica.
Your inventor worked there for this Python. Okay.
Video and
Sir,
lesson.
it is the National Research Institute
Sir,
for
but it is
Mathematics.
not possible that he developed it alone. Sir, he would
Yes.
also get a
The
group
way
of people.
whole team means that is, you know that na, whatever we are inventing, it should be a teamwork. Then can possible. But going to create only one person that who has the head of that one. It is possible.
Yes, sir.
That's
Sir,
why.
we only give all the fame to the leader, not the staff.
Yes. That work is given the whole team, but given only the whole credit to that leader.
I want to say something.
Yes, beta. What happened with Tivansi?
But this is not
Sir,
good.
I have
One
tried
minute
to
is left.
log on to Animate CC, but I can't download this on laptop.
Okay, beta, Divansi. What happened that na maybe your laptop need there the upgraded. What version you have, beta? Windows version? Divansi?
Sir, Animate CC can be downloaded into
The
only
Windows 10.
only.
Windows 10. Beta, please. So this one is in the vendor.
सर मतलब मुझे डाउनलोड करना मतलब समझ में नहीं आया कि कैसे डाउनलोड करना है लॉग ऑन टू एनिमेट
अच्छा, okay. Maybe there's some problem. Network problem. Maybe network problem, beta. Okay.
Sir, how to download Animate CC? But sir, because it is not present in Windows.
So beta, very easy to go any software vendors, and purchase it. Okay, because this is very
Spending money.
actually this is a 2 GB or 3 GB software. Very you know that ना ये बहुत बड़े software है बेटा ये. Log on.
सर मेरे डाउनलोड हो जाएगा बट पर कैसे करना है वो मुझे नहीं पता.
Okay, after downloaded, you know that it should be your system should have a space, more space.
Sir, I have that space.
Okay, so beta, do one thing. When you will download it, na, you just call me. Sir, now what you will do? Then I will tell you. Okay, beta, Divansi?
Yes, sir.
I will tell the